Up next is the App of the Week segment. This is a segment dedicated to app demonstrations. Should you have an app that you would like to demonstrate for our listeners, feel free to send us the recording of such an app demo to contact us at blindandroidusers.com. And now for this week's episode, here's your App of the Week.
And now it's time for the App of the Week. Oh, I'm sorry. We don't have an App of the Week for this week. We will have the shortcut of the week, which is Google Password Manager. So Warren is introducing the Password Manager from Google, which is in fact not an app. It's just adding a shortcut to let you open the Password Manager quickly. So, Warren, go ahead and tell us about this app.
Hi, Warren here for Blind Android Users Podcast, and as we continue with our App of the Week series to keep in step with the Made by Google, for episode 246 App of the Week, I'll be demonstrating a Made by Google app, and this time I'm talking about the Google Password Manager. This is really nothing new here, rather this is a shortcut to get to the password managing app of Google, which is built into your Android device. For today's demonstration, I'm utilizing my Galaxy S23 Plus, running One UI 7 and Android Accessibility 15.x. I am on the play page of the Password Manager and will now navigate to the About, and so we can hear the description, and thereafter I'll come back and tap on that install and get started. Here is a description of the Google Password Manager.
About this app. Heading: Google Play Store. Google Password Manager. Details. A quicker way to access Google Password Manager on your phone. This app provides a shortcut to Google Password Manager on your phone, making it quicker and easier for you to find and manage your password, passkeys, and more. Google Password Manager is already built into your Android phone, securely saving your passwords and helping you to sign in faster. Passwords made effortless. Sign into sites and apps on any device without needing to remember or reuse passwords. Google Password Manager is built into Chrome on all platforms and Android. App info. Version: the 9th of May 2025.78190380.5.00 release. Updated on July 11, 2025. Downloads: 1+ downloads. Download size: 1.75 megabytes. Required OS: Android 6.0 and up. Offered by Google LLC. Released on August 20th, 2025.
And that's the description of the app. I'll now go back to that installation page and tap on Install.
Play Store. About this app. Heading: Install button. Verified by Play Protect. Navigate up button. Google Password Manager. Installing. Shortcut to passwords added on home screen.
We're done with the installation, and I'll now tap on Open.
Open button. Google Play Services. Google Password Manager logo. Image.
Upon opening it, of course, it's the same thing that you'll find when you go to system settings and then go to passwords and passkeys and then accounts. As I indicated earlier, this is basically a shortcut to that, so saving you a step or two in trying to get to your passwords and all of that. But everything is the same except that you now have a shortcut. I mean, you could always go into system settings, go into that passwords and accounts, and find the password manager and then choose to add it to your home screen. However, Google decided, though, it's best to just create an app for it. I'm in the menu eye of the app, as I indicated, and we heard something image that's there on the top left corner of the phone. And if you move to the right,
Search button.
You got that search button. And to the right of that,
0%.
And to the right of that on the top right corner is your username.
Signed in as.
And down below we have 3 tabs. We got
Selected. All accounts.
By default is all accounts, and to the right of that,
Not selected. Passwords. Double tap to change the filter.
that's passwords, and to the right of that
Not selected. Passkeys. Double tap to
is
change the filter.
passkeys. Now, by default, I indicated we're on all, so everything passwords, passkeys are going to be found below here.
At Voice Aloud Reader, Adobe.com, AIOS, Amazon.com.
Now, at the very bottom, though, we have the following tabs.
Selected. Accounts. Tab.
We got Accounts tab on the far left and to the middle.
Checkup. Tab.
And on the right
Settings. Tab.
is the Settings. Those are the buttons and tabs that we have. As I indicated, this is just like what you have, but it makes it easier to get here quicker than going through all of that, which is sometimes a little bit confusing. And that would conclude this little app of the week for the Made by Google 2025. Thanks for listening, and as always, if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel.
Thank you, Warren, for this very, very, very useful application. So, just a question: why did you decide to demonstrate this one?
Well, it's an app. Google released it on the Play Store, so it's the same day, the Made by Google day. They released this app on the Play Store as a standalone app. So one doesn't have to go through all the process, go through the system settings and go to passkeys and accounts and all of that to find that password. So in a way, I really like it because if you're having difficulty getting in there, I mean, you can go in there, even with an experienced person. Sometimes it's hard to get in there. You go in there and it's a little bit confusing sometimes. So this just simplifies the process. And if you install this, and if you have the shortcut, and if you've added the shortcut from the manual process, the icons are different. This one says passwords, while the one that you go manually and enable it and say, hey, add it to my home screen, that one will say password manager.
So was it possible before to add it to your home screen before the introduction of this app? I mean, without using a shortcut manager or something.
Without this, you could, but it's quite a process. You got to go through the process, and then you go find it and say, add it to the home screen. Just like saying you want to add a PW or website to your home screen as a shortcut.
Yeah, but you do it once, so.
Yeah, you do it once, indeed. But this is an app. It's a standalone app now of its own. So it simplifies that process.
Well, I can see another use for that, which is if you want to, for example, open it through the a gesture using your launcher. I mean, I don't know why people could do this, but it's possible now because third-party launchers allow you to, for example, use a gesture while you are on the home screen to open apps. So it will be possible now with this application to use this shortcut or to use this app for a gesture. I mean, I won't be doing this, but I can see that, some people might do it. So yeah, it's good.
But I'm glad we have it, to be honest, because a lot of people, if you use the Google Password Manager, this is no-brainer. You should have this.